Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you're watching my video of property. In this property, one type of room is available on agora.com. You can book online and enjoy it. You'll see more than 100 of reviews of this property. You can go to agora.com. Check-in time in this property is 12 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 10 a.m. If you have checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this property, please check description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to the channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming properties. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.